Hi everybody, we're showing you today this Belcore snap folder, which is a pneumatically and electrically operated automatic case taper. It will do top and bottom. This one is set up only for top right, or bottom right now rather. As the case comes in, you'll see the micro switch here. Once activated, that activates all your rear closers for your end and major flaps. The end flap going forward is folded by the small rails you see there, and normally it's missing right now, but here at this mounting point would be a large plow which helps close the leading end flap. It's operating on 120 volt, has an in-feed conveyor on it. Nice clean construction. Of course, your belt transport belt's right here. Your holder for your top taper. A lot of times you'll see the Deca tape heads in these as well. They make a great tape head if you choose to go with a secondary manufacturer. We have lots of case sealing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.